Happy to see you back at Emily's Kitchen. I have a few requests from people who want to lose weight, yet they want delicious and nice food. Therefore, I'm going to share with you a low-carb recipes today, which is Konjac noodles. It tastes like noodles, but without calories. Konjac noodles is made from the root of a konjac plant, and it is widely used in Japanese cuisine. Therefore, you can get these konjac noodles from the Asian or the Japanese grocery stores. Let's have a look at our ingredients today. This is the konjac noodles that I use. This is how it looks like. Before we start cooking, we have to cut them. Heat the pan with oil first and fry the egg. Add the onions and fry until it is fragrant. Then add the pork mince, continue frying, and our konjac noodles. Now add in the soy sauce and mix well. Add the white pepper to give our konjac noodles a bit more flavor. And finally, the spring onion. To finish off my cooking today, I'm going to add some prawns. Prawns have got low carb, which makes it perfect for this dish. Anyone want this for lunch or dinner? Please shout at the comments below. The konjac noodle is done within 10 minutes. Very quick, very delicious. Starving is not the best way to lose weight. Eating healthy and on low-carb diet is an effective way. Well, remember to subscribe to my channel Emily's Kitchen and new videos every week. I will see you again. Bye!